Hi, I'm Chris from SolarGates, and this is just a short video to show you how to set up your INSTABOOM Go and pair up to 3 slaves to a master device for your stop-go works.
We would advise this process is undertaken at your depot prior to leaving for site. The synchronization process will take a few minutes. Position together the INSTABOOM Go units to be synchronized and turn them on. Press the Select button to initiate the self-test. The sign will move to both extents and finish in the stop position. Once the self-test is successfully complete, the unit will scroll through a number of messages, as shown. This will indicate the mode the device is currently programmed to run in, as well as the minimum stop and go times for operation. To set up a new system, first we need to decide which unit will be the master, and then assign slave 1, 2, or 3. When the display shows Change Settings, hold the Select button down for 3 seconds. Then change the operating mode to Master or Slave as appropriate, using the Up, Down and Select buttons as shown. On the master device, it is important to program the number of slaves in your system. After moving, there is a minimum time duration before the boards are allowed to move again. This is adjustable here. When complete, select Exit. The device will prompt Pair and Go Live, and this will initiate the pairing process to synchronize all the devices and remotes in your system. Select this mode for the master and all slave units before proceeding. From this point, do not press any further buttons on the slave device. Follow the on-screen instructions. The pairing process is controlled by the master unit. The master will then erase all pre-existing pairings. Press Select once this is complete. The master then gets ready to start the pairing process. Once ready, you will be advised to press Select on Slave 1. The screen will advise you that this process will take 2 minutes. Once Slave 1 is synchronized to the master, the process will repeat until all slaves are synchronized. The screen will then prompt to synchronize the remote control handset. Press Select to start the process. Wait to press button 1 and press when instructed on the screen. You will need to press each button twice to complete the process. Repeat to program the correct button for each of the devices in your system, up to 4 devices. At this point, you can program a second remote if desired. The screen will then prompt to go live. Select this option to synchronize the devices. Then your system will be in live operation mode. With the cases still open, you can use your remote to test the operation of the system. Button 1 will put the master into Go mode, which you can see when the motor is extended. After the minimum time, any button on the remote will return your system to all on stop. Once the traffic has cleared and after your programmed minimum stop time, you can select another device to move to the go position. The synchronization process is now complete and the units are ready for use. Given the generous standby time on battery, you can leave them switched on if you wish, to avoid having to open the box on site, and speed up your setup process.
So I hope that was helpful. For more help or technical assistance, please contact us directly.